Good morning, everybody. Today we're talking about garage shelving. Okay, so some of you may have the same kinds of things to deal with. We want to have shelves along this wall here, and we have had shelves, but the problem is when we park the car in the garage, there's not that much room to open the doors. So we had started to work on that and took the old shelves down that were up there. And now we're going to put some kind of modified shelves up there. So we decided to use wire shelves because they don't collect the dirt so much. But they're not very strong unless you put up a good angle. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Before I show you that, let me show you what the issue is. So the car's parked in here and you want to open this door to get in, but the door comes all the way over to here and it needs to swing like this. So it needs room as you open the door. So you really can't put shelves in this area or even back there. But it's also not just that, but there's a challenge making your way through here. Even when there's shelving in here that's only lined up to there, it's still a tight squeeze. So we like these totes with the flip lids on them. We got these at Lowe's. They have, we think, the best one with a steel pin that runs through here. Seem to be the most durable. And we're going to have shelving that's wide enough for them to sit on. And then we'll use these angles. As you can see, they're long enough to be able to hold on to it and give it good stability. So we used to have shelves that ran out to here. And here's the car door, you can see it. And the shelves ran out to about here. And they were always in the way. Plus we used some old, well, not old, but the style of hanging that's a little strip with a metal arm that comes out of it. They were very flimsy. All right for the time, but no good now. So what we're going to do, come over here, maybe easier to see. What we're going to do, here's the back of the car, is we're only going to take the shelves out to here. Right there. So keep that in mind right there. And that'll give us room for 2 of the totes along in here. There's 1, 2, 3. So we'll have 6 totes up here. And that should be enough for storage. We'll have another spot on the other side of the garage, but I'll show you that later. So, not really a difficult install, but I'll walk you through it. And you can see what you think. Maybe that'll work for your garage too. Well, there we go. It's all done. The shields are up there and looking pretty good. And I think that's just what we were hoping for. We got 8 12-gallon totes up on the wall there, And I think it'll leave plenty of room for the car and to walk by it. We'll pull the car in and have a look. But before we do that, let me show you some of the detail on this. It's probably easier to see this right here. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. So, something to take note of is that these shelf brackets here come all the way out to the edge. Can you see that? Get a little closer here. So those shelf brackets come all the way out to the edge. Now, you might see that there's a little room for them to come down, but that's all right. They're supported back here with these little brackets that go on the shelves, and that keeps the shelf from pulling off. So the shelves are good and steady, and they'll hold lots of weight, more than we ever want to put up there. And that's a lot of storage for that little corner there. And the boxes are much easier to get to than those longer shelves that we had, especially up top here. Up there, those boxes would have been very difficult to get to, but now we can get right to them. So I hope you have good luck when you put shelves in your garage. Oh, let me show you the car in here first. That'll help you to see how well these fit. So here it is from this angle, and you can see there's plenty of room to walk by here. So much better than it was before, where the shelf stuck out too far. Let's open that car door and see what that looks like. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room. Let's see, here we go. And you can get in just fine. So, very happy with that outcome. Hope yours turns out as well as ours did. All right, signing out. This is Handyman Hank. Enjoy your projects. Well, Handyman Hank here, finalizing this video so you can see what those shelves look like now. We've got our pop-up canopy right down here and tools. That doesn't look the greatest, but for right now it'll do. But you see we have 8 boxes of all kinds of good things there. So lots of storage space, and it still has plenty of room to walk by the car here. So very happy with how that turned out. Good luck with your shelf project. Be sure to like it and subscribe it.